हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ऑनलाइन लर्निंग वेबसाइट। हम लोग बात करेंगे आज मेजरमेंट एंड इंस्ट्रूमेशन ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 141 कह रहा है कि अ कन्वर्जन ऑफ द मेजरेंट इनटू अ चेंज इन आयोनाइजेशन करंट थ्रू अ गैस बिटवीन टू इलेक्ट्रोड। द राइट आंसर इज दैट इज ionizing is ionizing transduction. The next question: the range of frequency over which the faithful reproduction of the measurement is obtained. The right answer is frequency is frequency response. The next question: the ratio of the Laplace transform of the output quantity to the Laplace transform of the input quantity when all initial conditions are 0. The right answer is transfer function is transfer function. The next question: minimum value of input below which no output can be detected. The right answer is threshold is threshold. The next question: the quantity represented by the slope of the input output curve if the ordinates are represented in actual units. The right answer is sensitivity is sensitivity. The next question is 146: change in the value of the measurement variable due to extraction of some energy to a measuring instrument with an output signal source. The right answer is loading. The next question 147: for a transmission of the maximum power from a device, the impedance of external load should match its internal impedance. The right answer is impedance matching. Next question: a device that measures and generates an opposing effect to maintain zero deflection is null type is device. The next question: a device whose output question number 149 a device whose output is an enlarged reproduction of the essential features of the input wave and which draws power from a source other than input signal. The right answer is amplifier is amplifier. The next question is 150. The device which reduces the amplitude of the signal without causing applicable distortion in it. The right answer is attenuator is attenuator. The next question is the ratio of difference between measured value and true value to the true value of the measurement. The right answer is relative error is relative error. The next question: signal varying cyclically with the time or repeating itself after a constant interval. The right answer is periodic. The next question is signal varying non-cyclic with the time, that is the signal is of a definite duration and becomes zero after a certain period of time. The right answer is transis is transient. The next question: signal varying randomly with time with no definite period and amplitude. The right answer is random. The next question 155 says that the output response of an instrument to the various type of dynamic input signal obtained by solving its governing equation relating output and input. The right answer is dynamic response. Is dynamic response. Next question 156 is variation of output signal against the frequency. The right answer is frequency frequency response. The next question 157 an instruments having no dynamic error and no time lag of measurement. The right answer is that first order instrument. The next question the technique of analysis of the measured data for evaluating errors and deviation. The right answer is statical analysis. Next question is question 159 is that time required by measurement system to begin to respond to a change in the measurement. The right answer is dead time. Is dead time. The next question is 160. The largest change of input quantity for which there is no output of the instrument. The right answer is dead zone. Is dead zone. The next question. The magnitude of the impedance of element connected across the signal source. Right answer is input impedance. Is input impedance. Next question. Equivalent impedance as seen by the load connected across a device. The right answer is output impedance. The next question. Reduction in magnitude, amplitude, or intensity of a physical quantity. The right answer is attenuation. Is attenuation. The next question is 164. Question 164 says that a pictorial and functional representation of a system. The right answer is block diagram. Next question. Question 165. Section of a frequency spectrum within which component frequency of a signal can pass. The right answer is bandwidth. Is bandwidth. The next question is the ability of a device to reduce the effect of a common signal at both input point. The right answer is